2026. And we begin with the Fair Play Award. Ladies and gentlemen, your Fair Play Award goes to Rayon Small of Rwanda. And now, we invite the CAF Executive Committee member, Wallace Karia, to present the Fair Play Award to the captain of Rayon Sport.
Hanyuma rero tukaba tumushimiye cyane igitaramo kikaba gitanzwe n'uhagarariye komite nyobozi ya CAF Wallace Karia.
Congratulations once again to our player team of the tournament, Rayon Sport. And the next award is the top scorer, the Golden Bulls of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the top scorer of Sekafa Cup 2026 are two players with 3 goals. The first one is Ansumana Samura from Al Hilal of Sudan. As we invite the FIFA Council member, Wapari Suleiman, to present the Golden Bulls Award to Ansumana Samura. And it is my pleasure to welcome the Vice President of Sekafa, Mr. Richard, to receive the award on behalf of Jibril Ouattara.
Reka dusabe Visi Perezida wa Ferwafa yakire igihembo kigenewe Jibril Ouattara watsinze ibitego 3 muri iyi mikino ya Sekafa Kagame Cup 2026.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Glove, the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, your Sekafa Kagame Cup 2026 best goalkeeper, Dande Junior. As we invite the Honorable Minister of Sports, Honorable Nelly Mukazaile, to present the Golden Glove Award to Dande Junior.
Reka dusabe Madame Minisitiri wa Siporo adutangire igihembo ku muzamu mwiza w'irushanwa rya Sekafa Kagame Cup 2026 ni Dande Junior.
Congratulations to Dande Junior, the best goalkeeper of Sekafa Kagame Cup 2026. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the player of the tournament. And this award recognizes the player who has stood above the rest through exceptional skills, leadership, and consistency. Ladies and gentlemen, Kigali, your player of the tournament of the Sekafa Kagame Cup 2026 is Simimana Emmanuel Kapange. And now, may I invite the President of Sekafa, Mr. Carlos Andre Maliam, to present the player of the tournament award to Kapange of Rayon Sport.
Igihembo akaba agiye kugishyikirizwa na Perezida wa Sekafa Carlos
with the